Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to do the chapter known as articles. Articles, you are very well aware of what are articles. Articles, the words the, and, sorry, a or an is called articles. Okay, the use of the, a and an are known as articles. Okay, so here we are going to learn the use of these three articles. Where are they used? Okay, so use of a and the, we have to see where we can use a and the. Okay, basically a is and an are used before indefinite articles and the is used before definite articles. Okay, so here see the question that the I'm going to explain you through examples. Okay, first, the word a or an is called the indefinite article because it leaves indefinite the person or thing talked about. Means there is nothing definite, it's indefinite, so we use a and there. Okay, the word the is called definite article because it points out some particular person or thing. The actually points out something, that's why it's used before definite article, and an is used before a and an is used before indefinite articles because they don't basically point out something, they leave things indefinite. Okay, so see there is we are going to read examples, so by examples you'll understand it properly. A boy met a man with an elephant. The boy saw the man feed the elephant. A man once sailed on a ship to an island. The people of the island saw the man come off the ship. A traveler found a path through a forest and came to a bridge over a river. He crossed the bridge over the river and was glad to leave the path through the forest behind him. See, it will be seen that when we speak about a thing, the first time we generally use a. See, when we speak about something, anything, we generally use a before it because we actually don't know what it is telling. Okay, and when we are sure about something, we use the. Okay, we use the there. When we speak about the same thing again, we generally use the because when we are sure, first we are not sure, no, so that's why we use a or an. When we are sure about it, we use the. Okay, this is what the use of a and the is. Okay, see here, as a general rule, we use the when it is clear from the context which person or thing we mean. We generally use the where we are clear about means we are clear about any person or thing which we are pointing out, in which context we are talking. Okay, when it is not clear which one we mean, we use a and an when we do not know what it clearly means. When it is not clear, we use a and an, and when we are clear about the thing, we use the. Okay, this is how the rules of using a and the is. See here, use of a and an. Okay, an is used instead of a before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Okay, there are 5 vowels: a, e, I, o, u. So when there is a vowel sound, we use an. Okay, see, an axe, a axe, so sound also matters. Okay, an office, an hair, an enemy, an orange, an honest man, an ink pad, an R. Okay, see, the pronunciation of these two words is, we use H as silent, so we pronounce it honor, honest, honesty. Okay, O sound is coming, and here R, R, A, R, E, R, and A is a vowel. Okay, so these things you have to keep in mind. You have to go with the sound. Okay, yes, you have to go with the alphabet also, but you have to go with the sound also. Okay, the sound of vowel, so there you have to use an. Okay, here we use a, but we say a Europe. Europe, the sound Europe, U means via U, the sound of U is coming. So YOU sound is coming, that means Y is a consonant, so you have to use A. We use A before consonant, so these words you use A before them. Okay, a Europe, a university, a union. Okay, the sound, no, you have to go with the sound. So this is how you use A before consonants. Okay, this word beginning with a consonant sound. Understood? Then use of the is before the is used before common noun, which are name of things. Okay, there are unique things. Okay, so we use it before unique words, or when we are sure about the thing, we use the before them. Okay, so remember these things, where you have to use A, where you have to use an, and where you have to use the. Okay, you never use the before a name of a person. Okay, suppose the Ram, the Ram will not be there, it will be Ram. Okay, but you use name the before name of places or name of things that are very unique. So this is how you use these articles in places where they are necessary. Okay, so I hope you have understood the articles where you have to use A, where you have to use an, and where you have to use the. Just go through the chapter, and if you have any kind of problem, you can ask. Thank you.